So example number 5. Show that the function f from n to n defined by fx equals to x cube is not surjective. So how to show it? So look at that. Domain of the function is n and codomain is n. So now there does not exist any element on the domain whose cube root is 2 and that 2 belong to n. So that's why I write it as 2 belongs to n codomain and there doesn't exist any x belong to n bracket domain such that fx equal to 2 holds, that is x cube equal to 2. Got it? That means I again repeated you cannot find any element on the codomain, on the domain whose cube root is 2 and that 2 belongs to the domain, belongs to the codomain. Sure? That's why the function is not an onto function or surjective function. Now example number 6. Show that the function f from R to R defined by fx equals to cos x is not onto. How to show it? Let fx equal to cos x. We know that minus 1 less or equal to cos x less or equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. That means range of the function cos x is closed interval minus 1 1. And what is your codomain here? R. This is R. R is the codomain. So that R and that closed interval minus 1 1 are not equal. That means closed interval minus 1 1 is a proper subset of the codomain. That's why the function is not an onto function. That's why I write it. Thus the range of the function fx is closed interval minus 1 1. Also closed interval minus 1 1 is a proper subset of R, that is codomain of f. Hence f is not onto. If this range and codomain are equal, then the function is said to be the surjective function. But here range is a proper subset of the codomain. That's why the function is not a surjective function or onto function. Clear? So now bijective mapping. A mapping f from A to B is said to be bijective if it is number 1 injective and number 2 surjective. That means if a mapping is said to be bijective, then it should be injective as well as surjective. Sure? So now note, a bijective mapping is also called a 1-to-1 correspondence. Sure? Instead of bijective mapping, we can use the word 1-to-1 correspondence. So now example 1. This example is related to the bijective mapping. Let R be the set of all real numbers and A equal to R minus 3, B equal to R minus 1. Show that f from A to B defined by fx equals to x minus 1 by x minus 3 is a bijective function or mapping. Clear? That means A is the domain and B is the codomain. A equal to R minus 3, that means set of all real number except 3, and B equal to set of all real number except 1. Sure? Show that the function fx equal to x minus 1 by x minus 3 is a bijective mapping. How to show it? Bijective means first of all you have to show injective and surjective. So now for the injective part, let fx equals to fy where x comma y belongs to A. This implies that x minus 1 by x minus 3 equal to y minus 1 by y minus 3. Cross multiplied and simplifying we have x equal to y. Clear? Thus f is injective because fx equals to y implies x equals to y. Hence f is injective. Now the surjective part. What is your domain and codomain? F from A to B, A is the domain and B is the codomain. That's why we take any element y belong to B, the bracket codomain. Then fx equal to y. So what is the value of fx? X minus 1 by x minus 3 equal to y. Plus multiply xy minus 3y equal to x minus 1. So after solving, you have to find x in terms of y. So what is the value of x? Equal to 3y minus 1 by y minus 1. And that is also belongs to A because what is your A here? R minus 3. Sure? R minus 3. That means x not equal to 3 because A equal to R minus 3. That means set of all real numbers except 3. Sure? That means x belongs to A means in In A there does not exist any 3. So x not equal to 3 obviously. Got it? So what is the logic behind that? Since y belongs to B, bracket r minus 1, so obviously y not equal to 1. Sure? Clear? Y not equal to 1 obviously, because y belongs to B. Also y x not equal to 3, as if x equal to 3, then what? What is the value of x? 3y minus 1 by y minus 1, put it. So 3y minus 1 by y minus 1 equal to 3, cross multiplied, minus 1 equal to minus 3, so 1 equal to 3, and which is impossible. It cannot hold. Got it? So it cannot hold. If you take x equal to 3, then 1 equal to 3, which cannot hold. Got it? So what is the conclusion? X equal to 3, x not equal to 3, sorry. Sure. So we have x belongs to A, and that A should be your domain. Got it? So thus, what is your conclusion? Thus, for all y belongs to R bracket codomain, there exists x belongs to R domain such that if x, what is the value of x? 3y minus 1 by y minus 1. So according to the definition of fx, 3y minus 1 by y minus 1 minus 1 by 3y minus 1 by y minus 1 minus 3. So after simplification, we have fx equal to, after simplification, we have fx equal to y. So thus f is a surjective function, and hence f is a bijective function.